Okay, this is how you put it in launch control. Put it in sport, turn this guy off, hold the brakes, press the gas, and...
Oh, shit! That was actually faster than we've ever done it before. Holy shit.
My goodness.
Yeah, we did not have everything tied down. Oh my god.
Whoa. That took the wind out my lungs.
Yeah, no.
So, putting this car into launch control is very easy. First step, make sure that we're in sport mode here. So you can see on the dash that we're in S for sport. Second step, press this button just once, you don't need to hold it, and you'll see a yellow light on the dash. Third step, put your left foot on the brake. Fourth step, plant your right foot and wait for the revs to build, then lift the foot off the brake. Are you ready?
Ready.
How was that?
Decent.
That put a smile on your face, eh?
Oh yeah. That was wild.